So we're on the upper level deck here. You can see through there. But let's see some of the iron, and then we have different areas where you can peek out. I mean, when you think about it, the difference between this and, say, a modern day football stadium, they're not far off in their design, even though there's 2,000 years apart. So let's take the experience of walking out. So this takes us out, right out to the Colosseum here. Find a spot out here where we can take a nice shot. And I can run through some stuff for you here. So bear with me for a second. So the Colosseum, in its length here, it is roughly 189 meters by about 156 meters across, and over here at its tallest you can see it's 48.5 meters. The building has a surface area or ground coverage of about 6 acres. So you get a nice shot down. You can see here, you can see there's where the seating was, so a large portion of it, you can see it there, a large portion of it has eroded here, as it used to be fully covered there. Now you can see it's all eroded through here. What's interesting too is to look up behind and realize I'm only about halfway. Only about halfway through the vertical height of the building. And you can see all the brick there that's been eroded. It's interesting. Some of it is brick, some of it is stone, and then there's a bunch of arches there. So all right, I'll go find another vantage point and we'll drop some more notes on it. All right, so we came down to one of the ends here. So remember I said earlier, this was built in about 8 years. Anyone want to take a gander at how many employees?
So crazy, like
it's estimated somewhere between 60 and 100,000 people worked on this in those 8 years.
in 9 years, I want to feel the Colosseum. People, animals.
And over its 350-year lifespan as an arena, something like almost 400,000 people perished inside these walls. And it's estimated that about 4 million people, one of which I am, visit Colosseum annually. So, I'll take a walk over here and show you a cool detail. This is Not quite sure what's going on here. You can see there's stone at the end here, and on the end of this brick wall you can see a bunch of the bricks are actually sticking out. Now, I don't know if that is done so that you can grout that stone into it and basically stitch it together, or if that was the detail, because it's pretty much all around. So I don't know if those corbelling bricks, and you can see them, they happen at the top there, but they don't happen there. So it's very, very interesting. And obviously there's all kinds of, you can see there's a metal bar right there, and there's a bunch of cables right there that are tying things back. I actually have a wooden one right there. So, yeah, old age. Time is not on anybody's side. Like I said earlier, this is I have a wall here, so I can't see down into the stadium. But again, like I said earlier, we're only about halfway up. You can see the whole structure above. I mean, that's where we came in there. Right. And you can see there's whole structure up above that, I don't know, from where we are is easily about another 80, 90 feet above where I'm standing to the tops of those stones up there. So, all right, I'm going to continue my walk around on this upper deck, and we'll hit another vantage point.